Good morning, talk. I am Pawan Kumar, subject Max, grade 3, subject Max, lesson number 1, numbers up to 10,000. Numbers up to 10,000. The next one, my practice time 1. The question number 1, write in words. The write in words. A part 4,680. 4,680. You want to write in words. First we take the place value of 4,680. 4,680 is a 4-digit number. So we take the place value of this one. 4,680. Our place value is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now read the words. First one, 4. 4 in a 1,000 place. 4 in a 1,000 place. So 4,000. 4,000. And the next one, 100 place. 100 place is 6. 100 place is 6. That means 600. 600. The next one, that means 600. The next one, ones. 0. So we read 80 means 80. 680. 680. The next one, B part 3,126. 3,126. We take the place value of 3,126. 3,126. Place value, it is a 4-digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Listen here. First we take the 1,000 place 3. So 3,000. Read the 3,000. And the next we go to the hundreds place. Our hundreds place is only 100 having. So 100. HUNDREAD. 100. The next one 26. Next one 26. Tens place 2 having. So we add 2 numbers 2 6. 2 tens and 1 6. So 26. 26. It is the numbers. The next one, write in numerals. Write in numerals. That means numbers. The given the sum is where 1,310. 1,310. 1,000. We take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The first word is 1,000. 1,000 write in 1,000 place. So 1,000. Next one 300s. 300s. 100 plus 3. 300s. The next one 10. Next one only 1 10 having. Here 1 is 0. So our answer is 130. 1,310. Our answer is 1,310. 1,310. First we take a place value. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Next we read the sums. 1,310. How many thousand? 1,000. So we write 1,000 in 1,000 place. The next way we go to the hundreds place. How many hundred having? 300 having. So 300 write in hundreds place. Next we go to the tens place. Tens place only one ten having. So we write the number 1. Then ones place will be 0. That means 0. 1310. The next one. Third one. Fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Question number A. 1249. 1249. Then dash. Come on ahead, dash. Listen here. 1249 dash. Come on, dash. Come on, 1252. 1253. We want to missing numbers. Which one is missing? 1249. Then after plus 1. That means 1249 plus 1. The next number is plus 1. That means 9 plus 1, 10, 0. Carry on the number 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. Bring down the number 2. Then bring down the number 1. So our answer is first one 1250. 1250. The next one. Thousand 250. Then after number is again plus 1. Then after means plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Bring down the number 5. That's also 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. So our answer is 1251. 1251. 1251. It is the missing number. Listen. Fill in the missing numbers. The question number A. 1249 is the first number. Then dash, dash. Then comma 1252. Comma 1253. We want two missing numbers. Here we have two missing numbers. First one and second one. The first part is 1249. We want to next number, so plus 1. 1249 plus 1 is equal to 1250. Write the number 1250. The next number is 1250 plus 1. That means the next number. So we add the plus 1. So 1250 plus 1 is equal to 1251. The next number is 1252, 1253. And fourth one, count forward and write 5 numbers. Count forward and write 5 numbers. Count forward and write next 5 numbers. You want to next 5 numbers? First one, then come on second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Alright? Count forward and write next 5 numbers. We want to next 5 numbers. Next means we add plus 1. The given number is 8,996. We want the next number, so we add plus 1. Plus 1. We add first 1 digits. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then bring out the number 9. Again 9, 8. 9, 9, 8. So our answer is first one 8,997. 8,997. The next one, we want the next number. We add plus 1. So 8,997 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then bring down the numbers. So our answer is 8,998. 8,998. The next we go to third place. There also add plus 1. So 8,998 plus 1 is equal to 8,998 plus 1 is equal to 9. So 8,999. The next one we add again plus 1. You want the fourth place 8,998 99 plus 1. You want to add 9 plus 1 is equal to 0. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we take 0. Remaining one that carry over 10th place. That is carry over to 10th place. So 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So we take 0. Then remaining one carry over to 100th place. The next one 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Then 1 carry over to 1000th place. So next 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So next one 9,000. The fourth place is 9,000. The last place is again we add plus 1 with 9,000. So 9,000 plus 1 is equal to 9,001. 9,000 plus 1 is equal to 9,001. The next one, fifth one, count backwards and write the previous 5 numbers. Count backwards and write the previous 5 numbers. We want to 5 numbers, previous 5 numbers. That means the question is 3,157, 3,157. You want to previous means front side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to previous numbers once. You want to find numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Previous means before side 3,157. Want to minus because our sum is backward. You want to minus 1 from 3,157. 3,157. You want to minus 1. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Then bring out the numbers. 5, 1, 3. The before number is 3,156. 3,156. Next again minus 1. We want the second place. So again minus 1 from 3,156 minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5, 1, 3. The number is 3,155. Then again previous number. That means count backward. So we want to minus 1 from 3,155. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Next 5, 1, 3. So our answer is 3,154. 3,154. Then again before the number is you want to minus 1 from 3,154 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 5, 1, 3. So 3,153. Next again minus 1 from 4th place 3,152. This again it is a Backward means we want to minus 1. We check every numbers. We want to minus 1. The next one, my practice time to place value. My practice time to place value. My practice time to place value. Place value. Our question is 6,149. We want to place value. So what is in my place value? Already we know that place value means it's denoted on the position. The numbers denote on the position. 6,149. So you want to place value for 4. You want to place value for 4. Place value for underlined digits. You want to place value for 4. First we write the place values ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The given number is 6,149. Given number is 6,149. But you want to place value of 4. Place value of 4. The number 4 in a place 10. The number 4 in a place 10. Place value of 4 is equal to this is a tens place. So 4 into 10. 4 into 10 is equal to 4 tens. 4 tens. So 4 into 10 is equal to 40. You want to multiply 4 into 10 is equal to 40. The next one. Second one, face value. Face value is nothing but it is itself. Face value means itself. You want to place value for 8. Place value for face value for underlined digits. Here underlined digit is 8. So we want to face value. Face value means itself. Face value means number itself. The same number. Here underlined digit is 4. 8. So face value of 8 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8. Face value of 8 is equal to 8. The next one, my practice time 3. Expanded form. Expanded form. The given number is 4,680. You want the expanded form? Given number is 4,680. Here also we take the place value. Place value is important for everyone. Ones, tens, hundreds, it is a 4-digit numbers. So we take thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. $4,680. 4,680. We need place value. So 4,000. 4,000. That means 4 into 1,000. 4 into 1,000. Next one, hundreds place. 6 into 100. So 6 into 100. The next one, tens place. 8 into 10. 8 into 10. The next one, ones place. 0. 0 into 0. Next, you write the answer. Four into 1,000. 4 into 1,000 is equal to 4,000. 4 into 1,000 is equal to 4,000. 6 into 100 is equal to 600. Then 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Listen here. 4 into 1,000, 4,000. 6 into 100, 600. 8 into 10, 80. So you want to expanded form. Expanded form. We expand the numbers. 4,000 plus 100 plus 6 into 100, 60. The next tens place, 8 into 10, 80. The next place, ones place is 0. Ones place is 0. Ones place is 0. So our answer is 4000 plus 600 plus 80. 4000 plus 600 plus 80. Listen here, expanded form. The question is 4680. First we take the place value. First we take the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So ones place will be 0, and the tens place 8, hundreds place 6, thousand place 4. First we write the first expanded form for 4. 4 in the place, thousand place, so 4 into 1000. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. We multiply 4 into 1000. Next we go to the hundreds place, 600 having. So 6 into 100. 6 into 100, 600. The next we go to tens place. For tens place 8 having. So 8 into 10 is equal to 80. So our answer is 4000 plus 600 plus 80. It is called expanded form. The next one, standard form. Standard form. Standard form means we add all numbers. We add all numbers. It's also based on place value. First one 7000. The next one 80. That last one ones. Here missing the hundreds place. So first we write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. First one we take the thousand place. 7000. 7000. The next one we take the hundreds place. Hundreds place is here empty. Hundreds place empty. So take 0, 0, 0. Next we go to tens place. Here tens place is 80. So 8, 0. The next one ones place is 7. We add all terms. First we add ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. 0 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 8. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Here 7. So our answer is 7087. Standard form is 7087. 7087. Next is successor. Successor means plus 1. Successor means plus 1. The given number is 9315. So successor means plus 1. The next number, that means next number. So 9350. You want to plus 1. Plus 1, that is called a successor. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then 1, then 6, 3, 9. So our answer is 9316. 9316. Successor of 9350 is equal to 9316. Next, predecessor. That means minus 1. Predecessor means minus 1. We want to minus. The given number is 1461. We want to minus. So minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then remember 6, 4, 1. So our answer is 1460. 1460. 60. The next one, my practice time 4. My practice time 4. First one, ascending order. So what is it by ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. That is called the ascending order. Small to big. So you want to first smallest number. First one 1462. The next one 1426. 1390. 1391. Listen here. First we compare the thousands place. 1 1 1 1 1. Here thousands place is 1. Thousands place is 1. The next one we compare the hundreds place. Hundreds place here 4, here 4, here 3, 3. So you want to small to big. So we compare last two numbers. We compare last two numbers. 1390, 1391. So listen here. Here tens place is 1. Here tens place is 9. Here 1000 place and 100 place is same. Here also 1000 place, 100 place is same. So we go to the tens place. We go to the tens place. Here our tens place is 1. Here our tens place is 9. We want to smallest number. 1 9. We compare 1 9. 1 less than 9. So 1 is the smallest number. So we take the third one. 1319. It is the smallest of all. It is the smallest of all. The next we go to the last number 1391. Next we compare first two numbers. Next we compare first two numbers. The first one and second one. 1000 place is same and then 100 place is also same. So next we go to the tens place. Next we go to the tens place. Here tens place is 6. Here tens place is 2. We want to smallest number 6 2. 6 greater than 2. So 2 is the smallest number. So our answer is 1426. 1426. The remaining number is 1462. It is called the ascending order. It is called the ascending order. Small to big. Small to big. The next one, descending order. Descending order means it's opposite. Big to small. Descending order means big to small. It is called the descending order. First we take the biggest, that means largest number. First we compare the four numbers. Here 1000 place is 1. Here 1000 place is 1. Thousand place is 1. Here 1000 place is 1. Here 1000 place is 8. 1000 place is 8. Here 1 carrying. So we want to big to small. So 1000 place 8 carrying. So this one is the largest of all. It is the biggest of all. So write the first number 8541. Strike out the number. The remaining we compare three numbers. 1759, 638, 1010. We want to biggest number. We compare 1000 place 111. So next we go to the hundreds place. 7 6 0. Here 7 6 0. We want to largest number. So 7 only largest number. So 1759. It is the largest number. The next we compare two numbers 1638, 1010. Which one is the largest one? 1638. It is the largest of all. The next one, smallest of all, 1010. The next one, smallest of all, 1010. The next one, tick the even numbers. Tick the even numbers. Tick the even. Just we tick the even numbers. Even numbers means the last digit is 2, 4, 6, 8. The last number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 convenes, that is called the even numbers. Listen here, the last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 convenes, that is called the even numbers. So your last digits 3, 6, 7, 5, 8. You want to even number means last digit 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 convenes, that is called the even numbers. Last digits, that means 1 digits. Tick the even numbers. Here 3 having, it is not a even number, it is an odd number. The next one 2156. It is a even number because the single digit is, the last digit is 6. Next one 1157. 7 is a odd number. Here 3895. 5 is also odd number. The next one 1168. 8 is a even number. The next one odd numbers. Odd numbers means the ones digits, ones place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The last place 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 convenes, that is called the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The first place 2054. Then second one 2866. Then third one 4856. Then fourth one 1989. 600, 8065. We want to odd numbers. Odd means the last digits we want to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We check the numbers. 2054. It is a even numbers. 2866. Last digit 6. It's also even numbers. The next one 4856. The last digit is 6. It's also even number. The next one 1989. 1989. 9 is a odd numbers. The next one 8065. The last number is 5. So 5 is a odd numbers. The next one, my practice time 5. My practice time 5. Nearest 10. We want to round it off the value nearest 10. Nearest 10 means we check the ones place. The given number is 1200, 1025, 1025. We take the place value ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. The ones place, we consider the ones place because we want to nearest 10. We consider the ones place. Ones place is 5. Ones place is 5. The ones place is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 convenes. We take the 0 for tens place, but here ones place is 5. Greater than 5 means we add plus 1 with tens place. We add plus 1 with tens place, and then ones place and hundreds place will be 0. Listen here. first we consider the ones place. Here ones place 5. 5 contains we add plus 1 tens place. The tens place is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, and then ones place is 5. Ones place and hundreds place will be 0. Ones place 0. The hundreds place no change. Sorry. Hundreds place is no change. So 100 place 1. So our answer is 1,130. Our answer is 130. Next one, 456. 456. We take the place value ones, tens and hundreds. Consider the ones digits. Ones digits 0. Ones digit 0 commits no change in tens and hundreds place. Listen to 4,560, 56. The ones place is 0. One place is 6. Ones place is greater than 5. Greater than 5. So we add plus 1 with tens place. We add plus 1 with tens place. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And then no change in hundreds place. So hundreds place is 4. And then ones place will be 0. Listen again. Here sum is 456. We take the place value first. 0, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. First we consider the ones place. Here ones place will be 6. Ones place 6 comes we add plus 1. We add plus 1 with tens place. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. The next ones place will be 0. Ones place will be 0. The next no change in fourth place. No change in hundreds place. So 4. So our answer is 460. 456 nearest to 460. It is a rounded of 10. It is a rounded of 10. The next one. Nearest 100. Nearest 100. First one is 456. We want to nearest 100. So we consider the number 5 because 5 in a tens place. Listen here. First one is 456. We take the place value ones, tens and hundreds. Consider the tens place. Here tens place is 5. Tens place is 5. Tens place is 5. Tens place is 5 comes we add plus 1. We add plus 1 with hundreds place. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. We consider the tens place. Tens place 5 comes we add plus 1 with 100 place. Plus 1 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And then tens place will be 0. And then ones place will be 0. Ones place 0. Tens place 0. Hundreds place 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. It is nearest 100. The rounded value. The rounded value of 4,556 is equal to 500. Is equal to 500. The next one, 3,857. 3,857. We want to nearest 100. Nearest 100 means we consider the tens place. Nearest 100 means we consider the tens place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000s. Listen here. The tens place is 5. Tens place is 5. So we add plus 1 with hundreds place. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. The next ones place and tens place will be 0. Ones place is 0 and then tens place is 0. The no change in 1000 place. So rounded off 3,859. is equal to 3900. 3900. Thank you, Tom.